Don't be coughing over me while I'm talking, dude. That's rude as fuck. Don't be sorry, just don't do it. God damn, man, you're like the baddest kid in the world. Nigga, you're out of here. Fuck you. Fuck off. You're fucking retarded, dude. Straight up. Right in the middle of while I'm talking. Like, God damn. He's the baddest kid in the world. I swear to God, I'll whoop your ass if I was your dad. I'd have beat the fucking. I'd have suplexed you right into the off the porch, right onto the fucking ground. I'd have been like, take that one, bitch. Here's an F5 for your fucking troubles too, bitch. And then I'd stomped you right in the fucking head. Be like, nigger, act wrong tomorrow at school, bitch, and see what happens. Swear to God, I'd have beat the fuck out of Jake. He's a retard. He can't help himself. He cannot help himself. Constant interruptions, constant making noise, constant coughing directly into the fucking microphone. What the fuck is wrong with you, dude?